So I've been on Wegovy for quite some time now. It's been 14 weeks to be exact. And we have an update. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so I have a weigh-in. Let's see, last week we were at 200.4. Let's see where we're at now. Okay, let's see where we are at. 196.8. Where were we at? 204 or 200.4. So that's 3.6 pounds for the week. Okay, so as you can see from the weigh-in, I went from 200.4 to 196.8. That is a 3.6 pound decrease. So I had good results this week. I maintained my factor. I did go. I don't know if many of y'all know this, but whenever you're like eating a keto meal plan, you really have to watch the calories since you are eating foods that are so high in fat. So they do have like keto sweets and stuff like that to kind of help you, stay on track. I did go a little overboard one day on some ice cream that I probably shouldn't have. So I got that. And then what else? That's pretty much it. I pretty much stuck to the keto this whole week. I did eat some short ribs at some point, but those are keto, so they didn't really mess with anything. But that was on top of the food that I had already eaten, so I got to watch out for that. What else? That's pretty much it. I mean, the results are there. You can definitely see it in my face. And just even my overall, the way that I feel a lot less tired. So that's good. As far as weight, I don't really feel my pants getting a whole lot smaller. I don't know if it's just a me thing, but I was able to fit into some pants that I hadn't fit into. They were size 15. And I wasn't able to fit into those, but I did get into those, so that's a good thing. But other than that, there hasn't been a whole lot of changes. But yeah, so we're still going. We're going to continue on this week, and we'll see if we can get you another weekly update next week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will try to answer those. I still haven't had any side effects, other than the ones that are supposed to happen, like the appetite decrease and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been working, so we're gonna see how it continues to go, and hopefully we can get to our goal weight of 160. Of course, that is not my weight by my height because I'm supposed to be at 130, but that's real small. So we don't want to get that small, not me personally. I would be good at 160. But I mean, you never know. We'll see if I can get tone and fit and be all like, then yeah. But right now we'll take baby steps, and hopefully we can get me down to 160 and see where my blood pressure is at and see if there's any major changes as far as that goes. But that is this week's update. If y'all have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comment section down below. And y'all have a great week. Bye.